pack lunches.
Jessica Peck is a typical working mom who, after a long day as a lawyer, rushes home to get dinner on the table.
What homework do you have tonight?
I have spelling words.
Ooh, what are the spelling words?
But one thing sets her apart. She's had her right leg amputated because of a chronic condition.
About 5 years ago, I became very sick, and it was my first real exposure to how broken American healthcare is.
During most of the Obama years, Peck had private health insurance, but still had to pay for some treatment.
I was charged over $900 for medication that I found online for less than $1. I was charged $268,000 for an overnight in the cardiac unit that my insurance company ultimately paid $60,000 for.
It was only when she signed up for a state insurance program for disabled people that she was able to get this prosthetic leg and get out of a wheelchair for the first time in 2 years.
This portion just right here is $9,000. The foot and then the device that connects the two is another $9,000.
Getting health insurance and paying for her complicated and ongoing treatments has been very difficult for Peck over the past 5 years. And she fears that if the Republican health care bill becomes law, her life could get a whole lot worse. Experts say the state-funded insurance for disabled and low-income Americans that Peck is on, called Medicaid, will undergo a major overhaul under the new bill.
We're talking about $880 billion in cuts over 9 years to the Medicaid program.
Medicaid patients are just some of the millions of Americans who will lose their health insurance or see the cost of insurance premiums rise dramatically if the bill becomes law.
A lot of those premium spikes would hit rural populations and seniors the most.
As for Jessica Peck, she says the thought of losing her health insurance keeps her up at night.
I don't understand why the system continues to fail. It's sick and vulnerable.
The Congressional Budget Office, which is nonpartisan, estimates 24 million Americans will lose their health insurance over the next 10 years if the Republican bill passes. MacCarthy, TRT World, Denver.